Rahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. This is Inatullah Jamal and you are watching this tutorial from Computer Learning in Pashto YouTube channel. Dears, in this tutorial, I am going to show you how to change computer password without giving the current password. Mean that if I want to change the computer password, so it will require the current password. And if I forgot my current password, so how can I assign the new password? Mean that if I come to control panel, then I come to user accounts, and then I come to manage another account, and here you can watch that I have a number of user accounts: admin, Khan, guest, Sajid, and administrator. And if I want to change the password to admin, so double click on it and I will come to change the password. When I come to change the password, here are three boxes: current password, new password, and confirm new password. Mean that if I want to assign a new password, so it will require current password. And if I forgot the current password, so that is the problem that has been raised, and how can I solve it? So that is a piece of cake. Don't worry about it. If you forgot your current password, mean that you can change and you can assign new password very easily. For this problem solving, just follow a few steps. Step number first, come to search box and write down CMD. Then right click on it and run as an administrator and then press yes. When you press yes, a small window will be shown, that is CMD. Then write down net space user, then press enter. The first code is for that how many user accounts do I have and to which user account I want to change the password. Mean that I have here a couple of user account, that is admin, and that is administrator, and that is guest, Sajid, and that is Khan. And if I want to change the password to admin user account, so just type net space user, then write the name of the account that you want to change the password to, that is admin, then space shift 8. Shift 8 means a star will be written here, then press enter. Here is a trick, that is type a password for the user. If I type the password, so a password cannot be shown here. Why? Because somebody may sit with you and that person will watch that what password you give to it. So for this reason that it stayed secure, mean the password that I am typing here will be not shown here. Just I want to type 123, press enter, retype the password to confirm 123 and then press enter. Here you can watch the command completed successfully, mean that my computer's password has been changed successfully without giving the current password. That was a small tutorial that how can you change computer password without giving the current password. If you want to watch more interesting videos, so just click on subscribe button. That is our YouTube channel by the name of Computer Learning in Pashto. Make it subscribe, and also we have a Facebook page and group by the name of Computer Learning in Pashto. Be the member of our page and group and be the subscriber of YouTube channel. Just share it with your friends to also they may have such a problem that you have, and if you have any kind of problem, so you can ask us in the Facebook Computer Learning in Pashto group and page, and also in the YouTube channel, that is Computer Learning in Pashto.